India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. This day is observed to mark the end of British rule in India in the year 1947.
India's struggle for freedom from British rule was long and has to cost too many lives.
Many freedom fighters and leaders dedicated their whole life to this struggle.
This is observed every year to celebrate our freedom and acknowledge the sacrifice and efforts of the people who fought for it.
India attained independence following the independence movement, noted for largely non-violence and civil disobedience.
On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi.
The Constituent Assembly of India met for its fifth session at 11 pm on the 14th of August in the Constitution Hall in New Delhi.
The session was chaired by the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
In this session, Jawaharlal Nehru delivered the Tryst with Destiny speech proclaiming India's independence.
Members of the assembly formally took the pledge of being in the service of the country.
A group of women representing the women of India formally presented the national flag to the assembly.
15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi.
Independence Day, the President of India delivers the address to the nation.
On 15th August, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag on the ramparts of the historical site of Red Fort at New Delhi.
21 gunshots are fired in honor of the solemn occasion.
He pays tribute to the leaders of the Indian independence movement.
Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung.
Speech is followed by a march past of divisions of the Indian Armed Forces and Parliamentary Forces.
Parades and pageant showcase scenes from independence struggle and India's diverse cultural traditions.
Until 1973, the governor of the state hoisted the national flag at the state capital.
Similar events take place in the state capitals, where the chief ministers of the individual states unfurl the national flag, followed by parades and pageants.
February 1974, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M. Karunanidhi, took up the issue with the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi that the Chief Ministers, like the Prime Ministers, should be allowed to hoist the national flag on Independence Day.
And since 1794, all the chief ministers of the respective states have been allowed to hoist the national flag on the Independence Day.
Flag hoisting ceremonies and cultural programs take place in governmental and non-governmental institutions throughout the country.
Several schools and colleges conduct flag hoisting ceremonies and various programs.
Government and non-government institutions decorate their premises with paper, balloon decorations, with the hanging of freedom fighter portraits on their walls. Over a period of time, the celebration has changed emphasis from nationalism to a broader celebration of all things India.
This Independence Day, let's pay our tributes to all those brave freedom fighters and leaders who gave up everything for the sake of our motherland.
We, the 30th English, wish you all a happy Independence Day.
Proud to be an Indian.
Jai Hind.